Hi guys, this is Matt, MC Modelworks. How you doing? Um, just finished putting the Joker together. It's a big pain because gluing the bottom half to the top half. What I did was to do all the details on the bottom half legs all the way up to the waist. First, basically just because I wanted the stripes there. I could have put it all together and then just blocked in the stripes. But it is now nearly finished, I'd say. The main body of it's finished. Top, bottom half, it's finished. And we added the flour. And the lacquer seems to want to collect all the dust at the moment. So I've wet it down with a wet paint, just water on the paintbrush. See, it's just like dust. Oops, sorry, dust. This lacquer just wants to collect dust. Sorry if I missed what I was shooting. So we're going to give it another dose of water with the big brush, and then we're going to clear coat it with the matte big brush. There we go, that big. Yeah, we just doused it with water, got all the white bits off. Excuse me. So yeah, there it is. Pretty much all done. Next to do the cane and put it on the base. That's that, I think. I've not got much to say about this one because I've done so many, and there is a video from when I did last year which will help. And yeah, there he is. Okay guys, see you later.